This is brutal power wrapped in an elegant machine.
In this video I'm going to show you how to handle prize money, and it really depends on how you account for it yourself, and also what state you're in, because sometimes they treat it differently. You can do it one of two ways. You can do it as a negative expense, so negative, put it to whatever revenue account, or sorry, whatever account you need to save, and that will then just appear there as a negative. The issue with that is if it's big prize money, and when you roll forward all of your accounts, the amount of the account is less than the prize money, you'll be creating a negative invoice at the end of the month, which Xero won't accept. So if it's just a small, if it's a few $100 or whatever, you can do it as a negative expense. If it's a little, or if it's as a prepayment, as it is in some jurisdictions, you can do it as a negative expense / prepayment, or if it's a large one, you can do it as a credit note. So just enter the credit note as a positive there, and then it'll basically split up all of the amounts based on what percentage the owners have, and any GST amounts also. Select your account and save. And you see then that that's same sort of thing, but it's in there as a credit note for both with negative amounts. So it's really up to you as to how you want to handle it. That's the two easiest ways to do it. If you've got any troubles or if you've got any questions, then please don't hesitate to shoot us an email at support@prism.org.